Hey guys, welcome back to Nico Brothers. So we did it. We actually picked up the RV, only $3,000. I think that's a steal deal. Reading some of you guys' comments, yeah, it played and we went for it. It popped up, so we couldn't miss the deal since we already checked it out, invested all that time into it. Honestly, I'm really excited about it because I feel like it's gonna be all the parts we need to finish up both of the RVs. So let's go ahead and not waste any time and hit the road.
All right guys, so here we go. We got this thing loaded up. Couldn't record, kept working, but it's all strapped down all the way. It's sitting really good on the trailer. This side's really good, but the other side, I don't know if I should tarp it or not. We're gonna drive a little bit and see. If stuff starts flying out, we'll tarp it, but I think right now we're good. So let's hit the road. So we actually pulled over for a little bit and stopped by the store and got some of this mesh thing. I saw a little stuff falling out, so I'd rather, you know, not have more stuff come out. So we wrapped it up, zip tied it, and so far it's looking really good. It rained a little bit, but I think we're ready to go. We gotta keep driving, so let's hit the road.
All right guys, so we made it back to the shop safe and sound. Wow, what a road trip, but hey, we're here, so let's check out what we got. Ooh, another burnt one for sure. I mean, it feels like we've been here, but this one looks a lot worse. So
it's kind of funny though, where you're gonna fix the other one with a burnt one.
Yeah, but now we got another burnt one to fix the burnt one. So, and probably the front end. So honestly, yeah, we'll fix both of them with this one. So it's gonna be great. We're not gonna fix this one, you guys, don't worry. I mean, it's possible. No, just kidding. We're not gonna
I mean, you can make it like a tow truck, like a flatbed.
Convertible, come on, that'd be so cool. Definitely custom. I mean, anything's fixable, just time and money, energy, which we spent a lot already on, so that's fine. Let's check it out, see how bad it is, see what's salvageable, and see what kind of parts we got.
Well, let's check the cabinets. Maybe
yeah, they were locked before, so we couldn't go to, but reading your comments, you're saying that they're probably the same keys as our other ones, so let's just grab our keys, open it up, see what's going on. Maybe find some goodies. All right, so we went around, we opened up the drawers, we got the keys that fit nicely, so that's not a problem. But let's go see what this TV is, because I know there's supposed to be a TV right here. I really don't think it's gonna be good. Ivan's betting that it's good. I mean, it looks pretty bad. Look at it bulging out.
I mean, it's inside a box though. Think about it. The outside can be burned, the inside can be good.
But the fire would definitely inside. But I don't know. Let's see what's going on.
I mean, but the back of the kitchen's good though.
We'll see.
Oh, that took me forever to put up, Michael.
What?
Look at that. It just needs to be wiped down, Michael.
I don't know.
I don't know. The remote's right here.
Wow. Yeah, I mean, the TV is there. I've definitely seen
Hey,
worse.
all we need is an extension cord, right?
Yeah, that's all we need, I think.
Let's go get an extension cord and we'll settle the bet.
Let's see who's right. All right, here we go. So we got the cord out. Let's plug it in. Like I said, I doubt it, but hey, why not? Nothing? In a second. Edit that out. Just kidding. All right.
We got power, Michael. I win.
No, the TV is not working. I want to see an image, something.
Well, the remote's dead. You know, probably battery's dead.
Okay, all right. Here's the power button. Blue light.
Blue.
All right.
Okay, we're watching a black and white movie. All right, maybe you're right. There's worth a shot.
Yeah, I mean, it's okay. We didn't buy it for the TV, so either way, it's just for kicks and giggles. It's not working, but
let's keep going.
I'm sure we'll find other things. All right, so this side's pretty much done. It's all baked, over baked. So we're just gonna go ahead and leave it alone. There's not really any goodies over here, but it's just pretty crazy how the structure. I mean,
it's aluminum and it didn't melt, so it wasn't that hot.
I mean, it's pretty thin. That's crazy. He's just got, what, fiberglass, aluminum, some insulation, and some plywood. Wow. I mean...
Hey, lightweight, though.
Lightweight.
Let's look underneath it. So this is where the gas tank is. And look, it's still there.
Nice. And look at that. You can see the generator. All right. But even the rear is nice because our other one's messed up, bent down, so we might
need a rear bumper and the trail hitch.
Yeah, so all this is good. So these are all parts that we're gonna salvage, which would be really expensive from the dealer. So let's check out this side. Ooh.
There's the generator.
Oh yeah. It's got some smoke on it, but
Yeah, it looks good.
Look at that. Yeah, it actually looks really good inside. Smells good.
I mean, maybe we could try to start it.
Put power to it.
We'll do it afterwards.
Yeah, we should be able to.
Maybe after we clean everything out inside, make sure no wires are cut or anything like that.
I got oil, so that's good. Yeah. Let's keep going.
Well, what about this drawer right here? This one's gonna be under the bed, so everything on top of it is burnt.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, we got a cord, electrical cord, or a garden hose.
Yeah.
Not bad, not bad.
A little dirty, but I'm sure it'll wipe right off. Oh, here we go. Yeah, that's where the fire started.
They're
Camping.
grilling some marshmallows.
Part of the camping experience. It looks good. Fuel tank, cable. I'm sure these are nice too. You know, these are all parts that we're gonna be able to salvage and keep. Yeah, that one melted a little bit. That's pretty crazy. Why would, I mean.
Oh, this side. Unless it was underneath.
Yeah.
Probably was underneath.
All the heat and stuff.
That means the gas tank was heated up too then.
For sure.
There's your black tank.
Probably just a shower in there. Nothing crazy.
And this slide, Michael, we can try to get the slide out this time.
Yeah, for sure. We should be able to know what we're doing. And those motors are probably good because our other one got burnt up pretty bad, but hopefully this side's better. And that's about $300 a pop. So we got 2 motors here, and for the bed that goes up and down, there's motors there as well. So that's 4 motors alone. That's money, for sure. Okay. We got the waste holder, so it's all there. It's nice, just in case you need waste stuff, whatever. Not bad.
No propane.
Wow.
So, but I think it looks empty, so.
Well, that's good. I mean, we already had a fire, we don't want another fire. It's crazy how all the fires are over there when your propane tank's right here. I mean, if that went, I guess we wouldn't be buying it at all.
It probably would have exploded.
Yeah, not much left. Is it closed?
That's the fill, Michael.
Okay. There, I feel like I now just closed it, so it was open, even though it was empty. I'm just gonna go ahead and close that off, just in case. Moving right along.
Nothing in there. I guess they took all their stuff out.
Yeah.
Well, here's the panel. I think this is for the slide to work, and maybe something else. Fuses, so.
Hey, fuses are always nice to have, computers, circuits, I mean.
But the main reason why we got it is for the front.
Oh, yeah.
And that window, and the frame, and the suspension, and the engine. I mean, it'd be really nice to try to start this thing, maybe get a key made.
Yeah, for sure.
Just try it out.
Before we take all that work taking it apart. Either we're going to take it apart for the front nose, but the engine, make sure that's good before we
I mean, it'd be kind of crazy to start this thing and drive it.
Run it. Wouldn't that be awesome? I mean, like I said, make a convertible or something and drive it around. That'd be sweet. Oh, man.
Woo!
All too familiar. Yeah, definitely that burnt smell going on, and you're just kind of cautious where you're standing, what you're touching. Wow. Yeah, this is definitely a lot worse than our other one.
But there's still a lot of stuff we can use, though. That's the good
Yeah,
thing.
I mean, from this side, it's not too bad. I wouldn't say this side's worse, because, oh man, let's go to the front. Wow, look at this. That screen, I need one of those. That'd be great. Some of the switches, covers. I mean, this dash looks great, surprisingly. So
plus, we still need seats, so
yeah,
we could probably take these seats out, get them
reupholstered. Yeah, for sure.
And then the curtains. Look at these curtains.
I mean, these curtains, I think they're done. But
at least we have all the brackets, all other stuff we can kind of use.
Yeah, for sure.
Because the wreck one doesn't really need all this stuff.
Oh yeah.
Then we still got this TV. Mike, let's see if this TV works. Probably not, though.
Probably not. This one looks a lot worse than even the other one. Yeah, that's done. So check out this couch on this side. A little different design than our other one since we have the table here, but I actually like the table set up better. Couches are nice and everything, but I want to play some Uno or just hang out. We got a little table. But yeah, we'll still be able to part off a lot of things. We'll still get a lot of good things from this one, for sure.
Well, let's go back to the real
Let's get in it. All right. What is this thing anyway? The ceiling?
The door.
Oh, that's the door?
The door.
That's the door? Wow.
I think it's the bathroom door.
Oh, okay, our little slide door that we used to have. Dang. I mean, look at this setup. Our new kitchen style is so much better. Look at this little bowl right here. It's like nothing. Now we got a nice deep stainless steel sink, so definitely an upgrade. Wow, it's so weird. There's a little window. I don't know if it's a year or a different model or something, but there's a lot of little changes I'm noticing already. Microwave just as burn as the other one. Not much different there. That's crazy.
This fridge looks a lot worse though.
Yeah, I'm sad that the fridge is messed up. It would have been really nice to be able to save the little trim pieces, because I think our fridge is okay. We've been able to replace those little front panels, but the trim, I don't know what to do about that. If you guys have some recommendations of what we should do, what we can do, let us know. Love reading y'all comments. Let's try to get in there.
Ooh.
All right, guys, I'm gonna try to maneuver my way back there. It's looking pretty bad. Dang. It's so cheap, it's crazy. It's just like cardboard, the doors. Fuse box down there is nice, and our toilet paper isn't bad. Oh man, probably not the safest thing to do in your flip-flops, but whatever. So this is where the sink used to be? I'm so confused with this layout. I mean, it's definitely interesting. I like the bedroom, I guess, area better, because you have more of a, looks like a king bed, or queen.
Well, I think it's like two twins on the sides, and you have a little walkthrough, and then he becomes a king.
Yeah, I mean, it is, the sunroof is pretty crazy.
It's a skylight, you know?
Skylight, oh yeah, for sure.
But no more AC unit. Look at that AC unit in the back.
Wow. That's crazy, bare metal. Yeah.
This looks like a lot of cleaning, Michael.
A lot of junk. This is a dumpster full for sure. Woo, man, pretty bad. All right, guys. Unfortunately, we can't get it off the trailer right now. I was trying to get a key made, but the dealer said that their system's down or something. Our key guy's out for a little bit, but no problem. Monday, we should get that key and hopefully drive this off. I really think it will drive. I don't see why not. Like I said, the fire's in the back, so it should come off. But next time you're buying something, make sure you watch out where it says key or no key. It's a little print and co part. Just like that, it makes it a lot harder to take it on or off, so it's a big deal transporting it and stuff. So if you're buying something, make sure to watch out for that. But that's all the time I have for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend. We'll catch you next time. Make sure you turn that notification bell. Don't miss out on new videos that are going to come out soon. We appreciate it. We'll see you next time.